Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. I'm actually here on location, actually kind of a cool video I want to do, deviating a little bit from what I normally work on, but what's actually behind me is the groundbreaking foundation of what's going to be Phillips Vision's future location, home of Andy's Garage, Musician's Corner, and also Phillips Game Room, all that. So the ground is broken here behind us. Just finalized all the contract paperwork with the builder today. So I just wanted to do a quick video, just kind of letting you guys know what's coming soon. Let's get started. If you've been following my channel for a little bit of time, you'll know that the Countach project that I work on is actually being housed in Delaware in a garage, and I live out of state. I actually live in Maryland, and opportunities came up with the property value going up and moving very quick in Maryland, and the property in Delaware being a lot cheaper, that my family and I have decided to move on. So what I'm standing at here is the open area here for the house itself, but it's also going to have a pretty nice garage where I'll be able to work on all my car projects, as well as move the Countach project over there as well. And with the Countach being here locally, that'll be an easy move getting it over here as well. So I'm just going to kind of walk through. We're going to take a look here and see what's all going on here. We're probably looking at still around I believe 120 days before it's ready, but just exciting times. The cool thing with this location, it's going to give a lot more square footage. I'll be able to have more designated areas for working on my car projects and just automotive repair in general. Also be able to work on the casino games and vintage arcade games that I currently have. They're in a game room currently in my address in Maryland. I'll have a lot more space to work on them, focus on some restoration projects that are in the pipeline. Also, with the garage being bigger, I've got a couple other cars besides the Countach that I have some kind of some restoration, modification projects in the pipeline. We'll be able to kind of get those moving a little bit quicker, which will obviously result in a lot more videos to present to all the viewers out there. As always, I thank you guys for your support and all that you've done to get my channel to where it is. And I think I'll be able to bring you even some better quality videos and a lot more content in the near future with this move. One of the cool things with this structure that's being built is it's actually going to be 3 floors above ground, so that'll open up some areas also for some growth. Looking forward to doing some cool stuff with that 3rd floor. And as always, I always love the feedback from all of you viewers and subscribers out there. Any suggestions you may have, or maybe some areas where you want to see maybe some growth with this channel. Now that I'm getting more space to do that, it'll enable me to kind of increase the quality of some of the videos, as well as speed along some of the projects that have been in the pipeline to be able to put more content out there for the viewers. So looking forward to interacting with all of you with that. Okay, well that pretty much wraps up this quick video. Just wanted to give everyone a heads up of what's in the pipeline. As a result, might not be putting out as many videos as normal. Normally I like to do about 3 a week. Probably be doing only 1 or 2 right now until all of this move and construction, all this is done. But I will be putting stuff out, just slowing down a little bit. So just wanted to let everyone know what's coming soon, because once that's done, I'm thinking everyone's going to benefit from the videos coming out. So if you have any questions, any comments, I would love to hear from you, any suggestions. As always, I appreciate all the support. I look forward to growing this channel with all of you out there. Please send me any questions, comments. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.